Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Br2335 battery is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in our daily lives, powering everything from our most used gadgets to critical medical devices, and today we're diving deep into what makes a Br2335 battery truly stand out, exploring its performance, longevity, and overall value to ensure you're making the most informed purchase for your needs. Number 5. Duracell CR2032 Lithium Coin Batteries. Experience long-lasting power and performance you can count on for devices throughout your home or on the go. These batteries are designed for ultimate dependability. These are perfect for a wide range of devices, including key fobs, remote controls, and even small electronics like Apple AirTags and wireless cameras. Our packaging is designed to be difficult to open without scissors, keeping the batteries secure. Plus, a bitter coating discourages accidental swallowing. Quality is assured with every battery, guaranteed against defects. They are also guaranteed for 10 years in storage, ensuring they're ready when you need them. From everyday essentials to emergency preparedness, Duracell is your trusted battery brand. Rely on us for all your power needs. What we like. This battery offers dependable, long-lasting power for a variety of devices. Its child-secure packaging and bitter coating provide an extra layer of safety. If you're looking for reliable power with peace of mind for your family, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery has a long-lasting charge. It charges quickly and efficiently. The battery is compatible with multiple devices. Number 4. APC RBC124 UPS Replacement Battery. Ensure optimal performance by using genuine APC branded replacement battery cartridges with your APC UPS. Always check to confirm you are receiving an authentic APC product. Each replacement battery cartridge is rigorously tested and certified for compatibility. This guarantees it will restore your UPS performance to original factory specifications. This particular cartridge is designed for specific APC back UPS and Smart UPS models. Please verify compatibility before placing your order to ensure it's the right fit. A new battery can resolve most runtime issues if your UPS unit is otherwise in good condition. If the unit itself is aging, a new battery may not provide the expected runtime. Genuine APC replacement batteries come with peace of mind. They are backed by a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer warranty for your assurance. What we like. This is a genuine APC replacement cartridge, tested and certified for optimal performance with specific APC UPS models. It comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. If your APC UPS is experiencing runtime issues and the unit itself is still in good condition, this cartridge is designed to restore its original factory specifications. What people say. The battery has a long lifespan. It charges quickly and efficiently. The battery is compatible with multiple devices. Number 3. Amazon Basic CR2032 3V Lithium Coin Cell Batteries. Introducing the Amazon Basic CR2032 Lithium Coin Cell Batteries. They provide a dependable power source for your everyday devices. Designed with your family's safety in mind, these batteries come in a child-proof package. This ensures peace of mind for parents. Experience consistent and high performance with these non-coated batteries. They are built to last and deliver optimal power. Perfectly compatible with your Apple AirTags. Keep your belongings trackable with reliable battery life. This convenient 4-pack ensures you always have a spare on hand. Get great value and power when you need it most. What we like. These batteries come in a child-proof package for safety and are compatible with devices like Apple AirTags. You get a convenient 4-pack for good value. If you need reliable 3V lithium coin cells for everyday electronics and prioritize safety and convenience, this pack is a solid option. What people say. The battery is a perfect fit for my Br2335. It holds a charge for a long time, lasting through multiple uses. The battery charges quickly and efficiently. Number 2. Panasonic CR2333V Lithium Battery. Introducing the Panasonic CR2330, a high-performance 3V lithium battery. It's designed to provide consistent and dependable power for your devices. With a nominal capacity of 265 mAh, this battery offers extended usage. You can count on it to keep your electronics running for longer periods. Engineered for versatility, it operates effectively in extreme temperatures, from -30 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for various environments. Measuring just 23.0 millimeters in diameter and weighing approximately 3.7 to 3.8 grams, it's incredibly compact. Its lightweight design ensures it won't add unnecessary bulk. Utilizing advanced lithium manganese dioxide chemistry, it delivers stable 3V power. This ensures optimal performance for your sensitive electronics. Each pack contains 5 batteries, providing you with a convenient supply. Keep spares on hand for all your power needs. What we like. This battery offers a high nominal capacity and operates reliably across a wide temperature range. It comes in a pack of 5. If you need a 3V lithium cell for devices that require consistent performance in varying conditions or a slightly larger diameter, this option is worth considering. What people say. The battery has a long-lasting charge. It is compatible with multiple devices. The battery charges quickly and efficiently. Number 1. Panasonic Br2335 BN Lithium Coin Battery. Introducing the Panasonic Br2335 BN. This 3-volt lithium coin battery offers a dependable power solution for your devices. With a capacity of 165 mAh, it provides long-lasting performance, ensuring your equipment stays powered for extended periods. Its compact coin cell design makes it versatile for a wide range of applications. You can trust it for various electronic needs. Experience high energy density with this advanced lithium technology. It's built to deliver consistent and efficient power. Choose Panasonic for quality and reliability. This battery is engineered to meet demanding performance standards. What we like. This is a 3V lithium coin cell designed for industrial applications, offering reliable performance. Its compact size makes it suitable for small electronic devices. If you're working on projects or need batteries for specialized industrial equipment that requires a specific form factor and voltage, this is a dependable choice. What people say. The battery has a long-lasting charge, providing extended use without frequent recharging. It charges quickly, minimizing downtime and allowing for continuous operation. The battery is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry and install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.